Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can find contacts on Snapchat. By that I mean if you guys have some friends on your contact and that friend has created a Snapchat using that contact and you want to find them, well, you guys can do that. But for that, first you need to provide Snapchat access to your contact. For that, you need to go to your settings and scroll all the way down at the bottom until you see Snapchat. Click on Snapchat and at the top you can see the option called contacts. Make sure it's on. If it is on, Snapchat has access to my contact now. Now the first step is done. Now for the second step, open Snapchat and click on your profile picture at the top left corner. Once you click on it, you want to click on the setting icon at the top right corner of your screen. And once you're inside settings, scroll all the way down until you see this option called contacts. Click on contacts and at the top where it says share contact with Snapchat, make sure it's on. Once it's on, the first step is complete. Now you can click on where it says see contact shared with Snapchat and all of your friend over here who has created a Snapchat using the phone number is going to be shown. As you guys can see, I have tons of people over here. So basically it shows this is the contact and related information we have uploaded from your device and what we have stored from your Snapchat book. So it's basically like, view contact section from Snapchat. Now what I can do is just go back, and once I'm back at my Snapchat screen, like the Snapchat snap taking screen, I can click on the person with the plus looking icon at the top right corner. Once I do that, you can see this option called all contacts. Click on all contacts and all the people whose phone number you have on your phone is going to be shown. As you guys can see, these are all the people. Now it says invite over here because they have not created a Snapchat account. So if I click on invite, an invite link will be sent to them and they can create an account using that. But if I go on top over here where it says already in Snapchat, I can click on view more. And these are all the people in my contact who have already created a Snapchat account. And I can just click on add to add them, alright? That's basically what find contact in Snapchat works. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.